Oops, I had to take night vision off. There's Peter. And we are at Seaside. We're going to the beach. We're at the beach. There's the motorhome. Oh, it's getting all blurry.
Actually, the beach is called Del Rey.
Tinkerbell, come here. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. That's another RVer that parked here last night. There's our RV. Our motorhome went all the way to the coast now. We've gone from Walla Walla to Seaside, Oregon. The beginnings of our travels.
And the name of the beach is Del Rey.
The name of the beach is Del Rey. Tinkerbell, get over here.
If we're lucky, we might see some bald eagles.
Oh, there's bald eagles here sometimes. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, come.
Tinkerbell, do you want me to, does she move her leash?
No.
She's fine. She just moved her.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna lock it. Tinkerbell, we're leaving. Oops. Let me, there's Natalie. It's her birthday. Natalie's birthday.
Yay.
Happy birthday, Natalie.
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell, come on. We're gonna go to the beach. I got to lock the door. 'Cause we don't want to come back and no more motorhome. Tinkerbell. Okay. Tinkerbell, come on. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, come. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, come on. We're going to the beach.
It's going to be a little cold and sandy.
It's okay. I got my sandy shoes on. Oh, let's see. Come on. Let's go. Oh, you don't want to be on camera? Oh, we're walking through the jungle to the beach.
Did you grab his leash?
Oh, the grass is wet. There's like a lot of toilet paper around here.
There's no balcony.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. The sun is coming up. What time is it?
6:29.
It's 6:29 a.m. We've been up since when? 4? 5?
Yeah, almost 5. But it's sunrise is at 6:51.
Sunrise at 6:51. Oh, look at that over there.
Isn't that pretty?
Look at that.
Oh, I took a picture of you. Archie, are you?
Look at that.
Tinkerbell.
So pretty. Oh, it's blurring up
Tinkerbell,
on
where you
me.
going?
Why is it blurring?
Oh, I'm trying to focus.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I'm not moving that fast, damn it.
Oh, this is a nice picture of my mom looking at everything.
Okay. There we go. Oops, I farted. Oops, I said that on camera. Sorry, you guys. Sometimes you gotta do it. I need to learn how to edit. Cut things out. Oh, that's the ocean way out there. That's the ocean, Tinkerbell. That's the ocean, you guys. Look, that's waves. Look at that. That's waves. Those are waves.
I think I hear a little.
Those are waves. Tinkerbell, you gotta wait for us. I thought that was just like a little hill that we just had to go over.
You hear the little birds, Mom? You hear the little
Look at how pretty that is.
I know, isn't it gorgeous?
That is awesome. Awesomely cool. Look at that. And look at that. Whoops, it's blurry. And blur.
Oh, look at all that.
Look at that.
See the light out there? I wonder if it's a boat.
Where?
Because they got a lot of fishermen and stuff out
I don't see no light.
Out there.
Oh, I do. I do see a light. Look at that. That's the ocean, you guys. That's the Pacific Ocean. They did, because I did the other thing. We're hiking to the ocean on Natalie's birthday. The dogs are leading the way. Tinkerbell! Tinkerbell, wait! Oh, look! There's the ocean! Oh, there's a car on the beach! There's a car driving on the beach down there.
It's about, it's like 18 miles of drive on the beach.
Oh, wow.
You can drive up until you get, because this beach connects to the shipwreck, so you can drive all the way up until you get to the shipwreck, and then you can't drive anymore because it's a state park. But
Oh.
you
That's
can go all
the
way
beach,
down.
you guys. That's the beach. Where'd Tinkerbell go? Tinkerbell! Oh, there she is.
There's like a loop right here. I bet there's a.
Tinkerbell, guess what? We're at the beach.
She's like, where are these noises? And
She's in. I think she's got poop.
I know. Are you gonna film that?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, she's gonna come down. That's probably why they're going back there, huh? Looks like there's been a lot of people walking down here. Oh, she's just peeing. She's got to pee everywhere every dog's peed. See, this guy's driving. Where'd he go? Right there.
Oh, is that a pigeon?
He's driving on the beach. See, that guy is driving right on the beach. That's legal. You can do that here. See? He's driving on the beach.
A lot of people come here for razor clamming. This is supposed to be a good beach.
Really?
Yeah. So you can drive up here and dig for your razors.
No. They have to have permits though, huh?
Yeah, you have to have a shellfish permit. I think it's only like $10. You can get it like $10 a little bit.
Shoot, I should take my shoes off, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, if you want.
Because it's really hard to walk with them on.
Yeah.
Look it. We are barefooted in the beach.
Oh, I can see your little toe prints.
He wants to go so bad. Oh, I wonder if there's any Bigfoot tracks. Oh, there are. The tide goes all the way up here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It probably, you know how it was all wet up there?
Uh-huh.
It could come over this.
How come it's all blurry?
Oh, did you see that? Something shot water right there. I
What?
wonder if there's a...
Whales?
No, I don't think it's that close, but there might be something right there. Because I saw water come up.
Look, it won't unblur.
It's
Oh,
probably,
now it is. It took a long time.
It's probably because it's moving. The beach was like the waves.
Tinkerbell, where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Is there another dog?
Yeah, out there.
Oh, Tinkerbell, come here. Tinkerbell, come. Tinkerbell, if you don't listen, I'm going to take you back. All right, you guys, I'm gonna enjoy the beach a little bit.
It's so pretty.
So I'm gonna turn you off. We might turn you back on in a little bit.